ChatGPT is now back and better. It speaks, sees, and listens. Before, ChatGPT could only write and understand text, but now it can do much more. It can talk to you like a real person, and it can listen to what you say. This is a big deal because it makes ChatGPT even more helpful and friendly. Let's break it down step by step. You can now use voice to participate in an actual back and forth conversation with ChatGPT. Speak with it at any time, request a bedtime story for your kids.
You want to hear a bedtime story?
Or settle a case at the dinner table. Why is this cool? Well, think about how you talk to your friends or family. You don't just write them messages, you talk to them, right? So when ChatGPT can talk back to you, it feels more like you're talking to a real person. It's not just typing words on a screen anymore. To start using voice on ChatGPT, go to Settings, New Features in the mobile app, and opt in for voice conversations. Then on the home screen, tap the headphone button in the top right corner and select your favorite voice from 5 different options. Enjoy chatting with your preferred voice. How cool is that? The new voice feature uses a state-of-the-art text-to-speech model to generate human-like audio from text and a short speech sample. OpenAI worked with professional voice actors to create each unique voice. And to transcribe your spoken words into text, they use Whisper, their very own open-source speech recognition system. It truly is a powerful combination. You can listen to voice samples and stories on ChatGPT now.
We want to hear a bedtime story. Tell us a story about the super-duper sunflower hedgehog named Larry. Start with telling us a little bit about him.
Larry was a unique hedgehog unlike any other. He had bright sunflower petals instead of spines.
When we say ChatGPT can also listen, we mean it pays attention to what you say. It's not just waiting for its turn to talk, it's really trying to understand you. Think about how a teacher listens when you're telling a story in class. They're not just hearing your words, they're thinking about what you're saying and responding to it. ChatGPT can do the same thing. It's like having a computer friend who cares about what you have to say. So why is all of this such a big deal? Let's explore some examples to see how ChatGPT's new skills can make life easier and more fun. Number 1, it helps with learning. Whether you're a student or just curious about something, ChatGPT can be a fantastic learning buddy. Instead of reading boring textbooks or searching the internet, you can talk to ChatGPT. You can ask it questions and it'll explain things to you in a way that's easy to understand. Imagine you're struggling with a math problem. Instead of staring at the problem for hours, you can tell ChatGPT about it. You can say, "I'm stuck on this math question. Can you help me?" And it'll take you through the steps, just like a patient tutor. Number 2, entertainment. ChatGPT's new abilities can make entertainment more exciting. Think about video games. Instead of playing against a computer that follows strict rules, you can play against a character that talks and responds like a real person. It's like stepping into a virtual world with friends. Or consider watching movies. ChatGPT can be like a movie critic you can talk to during the film. You can ask it questions about the plot, the characters, or even some background information. It's like having a movie night with a film expert who's always ready to chat. Number 3, getting help. ChatGPT can be a helpful companion when you need assistance. Let's say you're trying to cook a new recipe and you're not sure how to chop an onion correctly. You can just ask ChatGPT and it'll give you step-by-step instructions, even explaining why you should do certain things. It's like having a chef right in your kitchen. When you need information, you can also turn to ChatGPT. Instead of searching through a pile of books or websites, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT. You can ask questions about history, science, or anything else you're curious about. It's like having a personal encyclopedia that talks back. Number 4, making friends. ChatGPT can also be a friendly companion. It can chat with you when you're feeling lonely, or just want to talk. It listens to your stories and can even tell you jokes to make you laugh. It's like having a digital friend who's always there for a chat. Now you can share images with ChatGPT. This makes using ChatGPT easier and more fun. With voice and image features, you can do more things with ChatGPT in your daily life. For example, when you're on a trip, you can take a picture of a famous place and chat with ChatGPT about it in real time. Or when you're at home, you can snap photos of your fridge and pantry to help decide what to make for dinner. You can even ask it for a recipe step by step. After dinner, if your child needs help with a math problem, you can take a picture of the problem, circle it, and ChatGPT will give hints to both of you. So these new features make ChatGPT more useful and fun for different life situations. It's a handy feature for visual problem solving. However, while ChatGPT's new abilities are exciting, there are some important things to keep in mind. Responsible use. Just like with any technology, ChatGPT should be used responsibly. It's a tool to help, not to harm. Misusing it, like spreading false information or being rude, is not okay. We should always treat it with respect, just like we do with people. Privacy. When you talk to ChatGPT, your conversations are usually stored somewhere. It's crucial to know how your data is being used and make sure your privacy is protected. Always check the privacy settings and be cautious about sharing personal information. Balancing human interaction. While ChatGPT can be a great companion, it's essential to remember that real human interaction is precious. Don't spend all your time talking to a machine. Keep building real relationships with friends and family. They can offer something ChatGPT can't, a genuine human connection. Bias and fairness. Lastly, remember that ChatGPT learns from the information it's given. If the data it learns from contains biases or stereotypes, it might unintentionally repeat those biases in its responses. It's essential to be aware of this and work towards making AI more fair and equal for everyone. In conclusion, the fact that ChatGPT can now speak, talk, and listen is a remarkable step forward in the world of technology. It opens up endless possibilities for learning, entertainment, getting help, and making friends. However, we must use it responsibly, protect our privacy, maintain real human connections, and work towards fairness in AI. With these considerations, have fun with ChatGPT's new abilities. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.